Frozen Peaz is a non-toxic, reusable, no-mess, flexible, compression-fitting, hot and cold option for getting relief from sore muscles or injuries, decreasing the inflammation and the pain. That's right, Frozen Peaz can be used for either cold therapy or hot therapy. Use cold to treat injuries and inflammation, or hot to increase the range of motion or relax sore muscles. Cryotherapy, or applying cold therapy with Frozen Peaz, is not even comparable when it comes to other options such as a gel pack, an ice pack, or a regular package of frozen vegetables. Frozen Peaz has numerous wraps to help treat specific areas of the body. After my MCL surgery in November 2014, icing has become a regular thing for my knee in helping it recover. The Frozen Peaz large joint wrap consists of 3 Peaz packs. These are inserted inside this flannel pod. Each of these measures 7.5 inches by 6 inches. Not only can it be used on the knee, it can be used on the back or the shoulder, or other places also on your body. After letting the Frozen Peaz sit in the freezer for at least 4 hours, remove the packs and slip them inside the Therapies. It's a flannel wrap, which can be washed if needed, but it's recommended you only let it air dry. You can store the Peaz packs inside the freezer by themselves or inside the flannel wrap also. The best thing I love about the wrap is its ability to treat my knee from 360 degrees by conforming around it. Ice bags can be messy and drip all over. The elastic straps and Velcro used on the ends hold it in place. The straps measure in length roughly 24 inches or 2 feet and can expand to 32 inches when stretched. Only use the Peaz pod inside the wrap or place a towel between the Peaz pod and your skin. Never use a Peaz pod directly on your skin. It's important to remember when treating any area with the Frozen Peaz, you are wanting to help recover and not cause other damage. So stay within the 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off rule. So how does using Frozen Peaz help in the process? The constant cold temperatures Frozen Peaz is able to provide causes your blood vessels to tighten, therefore draining the blood out of that area of the body. When the 20 minutes of the treatment is up, that area of your body will begin to fill up with new blood that invigorates the muscles with oxygen to help the cells function better. Although it's really a first aid term, RICE, rest, ice, compression, and elevation, it's also applied when recovering. If at any time during a treatment with Frozen Peaz you feel uncomfortable, stop the treatment. I know for myself the first 5 minutes of my 20-minute session are pretty tough to get by. But it does take some time to get adjusted to the extreme cold temperature Frozen Peaz delivers. Relieve pain, reduce swelling, recover faster. Frozen Peaz.